Namaste, my friends. My name is Daryl, and in this episode, I'm excited to talk about a new adhesive grab bar system from CDM Engineering, so let's get going. I just want to give you a little quick background story to CDM Engineering and how I met them. Again, as I stated, it's not a commercially available product yet. Reggie had sent me a sample because he had seen a video that I had done on grab bars and how dangerous they are. And I highly recommend that you look at this video, and I'll put a link in the description below. One of the things that was important to talk about is he's number one, 50 years in the aerospace engineering. He's got extensive background on polymers and adhesive systems, holds 10 patents in the United States. And a couple of them are on military, I think, helicopters. The reason I'm saying is here's a guy that's got a lot of experience. He is retired. He came up with this great idea on how to develop a grab bar that could be installed very easily because he knew the hazards of suction cup grab bars. A suction cup grab bar, in the studies that I've done, the most I've seen any of them hold is like 150 pounds. And that's when you first buy it and it's brand new out of the box. But I've seen some of these other suction cup grab bars that don't hold more than 40 pounds, and they advertise that they're holding 350. So why do I bring that up? Because Reggie developed this new grab bar system, and my testing, product is amazing. And he's trying to keep the price low, but he's still trying to find a manufacturer. So unfortunately, it's not available commercially yet, and hopefully one day it will, but we just want to talk about what he has to offer. So before I begin the video on this, I just wanted to highlight one thing. This is in a high-speed motion. What we have up here is this is the CDM Engineering. This is an aluminum bar backing, and then here on both sides, the right and the left, you have 3M double adhesive tape. As I mentioned, one of the things that you want to do is it's so important to follow the instructions, and wall preparation is critical. So if you have a shower that's got soap scum on the wall, I'd highly recommend a soft scrub or a light, mild abrasive on the wall. Clean it thoroughly, rinse it off before you use the alcohol wipes. So as I said, first thing we're gonna do is take the alcohol pad, make sure it's super clean. I also clean the edges of the aluminum plate as well. Then all I do is I take the adhesive, I put a bead going across without getting on a 3M adhesive pad because you're going to pull that off. I flipped it over. Reggie gives you a wooden stick to spread it. I didn't think I needed it because I had everything. Next thing you do is you take the adhesive off and then you stick it to the wall. It's that simple. I took it a step further, and one of the things that I wanted to do was just take another bead since I had the caulking available with it. And I just put another top bead caulk on the top, and I just smoothed it out with my fingers. And then the next thing I did was taped it. The next thing we're talking is about the ASTAM method. Here's a link below if you want more descriptions on it. But this is my test setup, and Reggie's grab bar was put up here. The next thing you're going to see is a 20-minute video in about 3 seconds. So what we're doing is we're loading the grab bar up to 250 pounds, and you're going to see that it starts to flex here. And once we get to the 250, we hold it for 5 minutes. We bring it up to 400, and it passes with flying colors. Let's go over the test data for the CDM Engineering grab bar test. The wall substrate that we used was 1/2-inch sheetrock with wall tile over the top. The grab bar that we used is the round one, and you'll see that in the videos. They did not set a price on this yet. The advertised weight capacity is also not listed, but it's important to note that the ASTAM requires 250 pounds, and then the ADA test is 250 pounds as well. This clearly passed at 250. We brought it up to 400 for 5 minutes. So it's an absolute pass for us. As I mentioned, this product is not commercially available, but if anybody is interested in getting in touch with Reggie at CDM Engineering, here's his email and his company name and address. The installation complexity level on this is a 1 out of all the grab bars that I've tested over the past 18 to 24 months. By far, this is the easiest grab bar to put in. Reggie designed this with the installer in mind, and that really being the seniors that he's really testing this product with out currently. So it's designed that anybody can put it in, where some of these other fastener systems take a little bit more complexity to put these in. Thumbs up to Reggie for doing that, but again, very easy system to put in. Just to summarize, the grab bar passed the ASTM F446-19 at 250 pounds for 5 minutes. We were able to bring it up to 400. And again, the other thing I want to bring up is this is the top view, this is the front view. If you can see the front view, this is the bend at 250 pounds. Now watch what happens when we bring it to 400. You can see how much more it was able to bend, but this grab bar did not break, did not come off the wall. It's extremely important that you follow the manufacturer guidelines. This is Reggie's, I know I'm in front of it, but if you want the guidelines, just email him, and his email is 2 slides back. I cannot overemphasize the importance of wall preparation for any adhesive grab bars. If you have soap scum on your wall, I just highly recommend that you get soft scrub or a comparable product, light abrasive to get the material off, wash it, rinse it, and then use the alcohol pad. Again, minimum curing time, 24 hours. I waited 4 days before I did my testing. This grab bar can be removed. It's a little challenging. All I did was take a razor knife that extends out, and I was able to just go back and forth on it. It took some time, but I was able to do it. And then you had to scrape all the residual silicone off the tile and the grout. I want to thank you very much for coming and watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment sections below. So again, give us a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe for future videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you on the next one. Take care.